Here I have SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this middle icon here, and here you can select continuous shot mode. So you have a burst shot LO, HI, you have HDR and HDR high continuous shot. So I think the high is where you have lots of shots, and low where you have less shots. So let's take a high continuous shot. So when you run in this mode, you just hold down shutter button and the burst shot starts. So let's get it. Yeah, right now I took 43 shots, which is a lot, as you can see. Maybe I should delete them all. Okay, I can only keep this one. And when you set continuous shot low, I guess you can take less shots. So let's test it. Just hold down shutter button like in the previous mode. Okay, so right now I took lots of shots too. I don't know. I guess it's about the quality. The low one will be less quality and less weight, and the high one will be more in more high resolution. I mean, in higher resolution. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.